Hey guys, this is an HP NV6555e printer. In today's video, I just want to quickly show you how to get into the menu and print reports. The quality report and the printer information report, it's pretty much going to be the same. You can find out what your ink cartridges health is on those and see which color you're missing, and also find out the page count of your printer. In order to print the report, we'll need to go to the main screen right here. You can also do it off your app, but it's going to be a similar kind of situation. But you can always search your app and print the report off of there. But you can use this handy screen right here and do it that way. Go ahead and press the menu button and scroll down to Tools. Press that. There we go. In the Tools section, you can see reports right here. If you want to clean the print head, for example, you're going to press Maintenance and find that there, but we're going to press Reports and Print Status Report. We just need Print Quality Diagnostic because I already know the information. If you want to print the network configuration report, you will check that. So I'm just going to print Quality Diagnostics Report. That'll show the health of the ink coming out on the ink cartridges. Printer Status Report is a different one, but it's somewhat similar. Usage Report, I'll just print all of them, but Usage Report is just going to have numbers there, how many pages printed, so that'll also be on other reports that we're printing. Wi-Fi reports, there's plenty of reports, and these are all Wi-Fi setup reports. So we're just going to go ahead and print the three usage report, status report, and see what those look like. So the printer is now sending that information through, and we'll put it on our paper. So first we have the Print Quality Diagnostic Report. This is what it looks like. Shows the model number, serial number, and things like that. And this is the most important part of this report. This is what all colors are supposed to look like. So we have cyan, magenta, and yellow. All blocks look very good, and the black block looks very good too. Then the alignment looks very good too, and this is another like cartridge alignment block that it prints out. This is the printer status report. That's what that looks like. Actually, on this Print Quality Diagnostic Report, it does not have the page count, but this one does, and it also has the ink levels on here. It also looks very good. All three colors are visible. The black is good. Also has the printer model and the serial number on here as well. And over here is where we have the printer usage information. This printer is pretty new. I've only printed 5 pages. If you used your printer for a while, you have it in the hundreds or thousands. Over here, if you got a used printer, that's how you'll know your mileage on your printer, is by seeing how many pages were printed. And this third report is basically the same thing. If you don't want to print the other reports, you can just find out your printer usage on this here. This is the same thing. Now it's 6 pages printed. Product information as well, and things like that. So it's more of a detailed total, how many prints you've made, how many copies you've made, and the size as well. So this is more of a detailed usage report. That's how you do that. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and good luck with your printer.